Do you want a calzone, but at home? We could make one in the air fryer. We're gonna need a couple ingredients for that. So let's see what we're gonna need, shall we? For this recipe, we're gonna experiment with this Crimpit. We got some pizza sauce, tortillas, mozzarella cheese that we gotta shred, and some pepperoni. We're gonna try to make a pepperoni calzone. So, what we're gonna need to do is get a tortilla. We're gonna need to shred some cheese. This fresh shredded cheese is always good. So, let's grab our plate, grab our Crimpit. We're gonna put this in here, like so. Just so that it is over the edge slightly. Okay, we're gonna zap this in the microwave for 20 seconds. Alright, so now that our tortilla is pliable, what we're gonna do is add some pizza sauce. Grab a spoon. I know it's kind of dark. Want some pizza sauce. Don't want too much because you don't want to close the edge or put it right on the edge because it might not end well. We don't know. We haven't tried this yet. We now need our cheese. Maybe we should have done pepperoni first, but it's too little too late now. I don't even know how this is going to turn out. This could be great. This could be horrible. There's going to be one way to figure this out. And that's why we're experimenting. One more. Well, there's a little nook over here. Right in the middle there. Right there. Alright. So now we're going to close this over. I feel this is not in the right corner. Scoot this up a little bit. So that's in the part for the teeth here. Seal it. I mean, I could have used some bigger tortillas if I had any. So let's see how that worked. Oh, that's not too bad. Alright. Well, let's get another one going. Might as well get another one going, huh? Alright, so we need our pizza sauce. No, but you were done drinking. Now let's do this one with the pepperoni first. I mean, I'm not going to remember which one's which when I pull them out the air fryer. Probably not. But that's why we have left right. The only problem I see is you can't overfill these. And I love to overfill things. If there's room, there's got to have space for it, right? Now you can pan fry these, bake these, or put them in the air fryer. And for this, we are going to use the air fryer. But first, we need to pull this up to the ledge thing. So it might be a little saucier. Close this, push down, put all our weight behind it. Well, this side was not in the crevice thingy. Yeah, some bigger tortillas could have come in handy. This does 8 to 10, I think. 8 to 10 inch. Okay. Now that that's done, and preheat our air fryer for 420 degrees and set the timer for 4 minutes so it can cook for 4. Once the air fryer is preheated, we'll take these. Oh, even a Meowsers, that's toasty. Alright, if you use bigger tortillas, you're gonna have to cook them one at a time. I use little tortillas, so I think these are 8-inch soft taco. So let's see how they are in 4 minutes. 2 minutes to flip them. After 2 minutes, we're gonna want to flip them. Well, that's what they look like so far. Okay, there we go. Now they're flipped. Alright, so we got 2 more minutes. After 4 minutes, this is how they came out. That one's got a nice little indentation, or I should say, it looks like a seal here. But they are toasty and hot. Are they good? That is the question. We had to move countertops because the camera's on the other side. Bon appetit. You know, some Italian seasoning on here would be really good. That's what I didn't put on there. But you hear that crunch. You see it. It's nice. It's a little messy. Sometimes messy food is good. If you don't want it as messy, less pepperoni. But if you leave a like and a comment and subscribe, it does help a lot. I hope you have a great night and wonderful eating. I'm going to eat this all up.